We're gonna make Sydney look like a teenager, not a 12-year-old.
Bruh.
Sup, it's Sydney. A few days ago, my friends decided that I looked ugly, so now they're gonna make me look not ugly anymore.
We decided the other day that we are going to give Sydney a makeover. It's gonna be fun. We're all gonna do something different.
This is kind of gonna be like a transformation type of video, but also not because we're unorganized, so we're gonna see how it goes. But hopefully I'll look less ugly by the end, and then I'll look
All nice and fine for Valentine's Day.
and then Allie can find me a date. Happy Valentine's Day.
We're so glad you're finally here!
Let's get started!
First things first.
I'm the realist.
Yes, that. This is me and Allie, and we are doing hair. We figured out Allie's gonna do hair too, okay? So.
I'm just gonna do everything.
No, Allie, you're not.
I'm not really good at beauty, so I'm just along for the ride.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but it's gonna involve a curling iron and a brush.
Currently, my hair looks like trash because this is how I do it when I don't feel like doing anything. Quite often. Your hair is the exact same.
Mine's French braided. Hers is just pippy. I like it though. It looks good on you.
Lies after.
We're just gonna do Sydney's hair. It's gonna be great.
So great. Rip them out.
Her hair doesn't look thick, but it's the thickest hair I've ever touched.
Oh, not. She's naughty.
Naughty and thick.
She does. I hope she.
Yep. Yep.
I look like
A gerbil. Okay.
Oh. What did you do?
I curled your hair.
I can't believe you haven't lost them yet.
Alright guys, I just burnt myself. You look like Shirley
Maybe.
Temple.
I
Oh my god, I look like Shirley Temple.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Me.
that was my ear.
Sorry, total accident. Did not mean to do it at all.
We should burn her on purpose.
No, we shouldn't.
There's just too many people.
Dude, her hair's so thick, you don't understand.
It's like horse hair. It curls so easy. Not like literal. No, not like horse. Hoarse.
You mean coarse?
Yeah.
You idiot!
Oh my god, I look like an emo whenever the fringe is down like that. Wait.
I like how you call your hair
Give her
fringe.
bangs.
Oh my god, you kind of look good with bangs.
Ew. For a second, I thought that you just pulled out scissors instead of the curling iron, and I was like,
We are! Shh. I gotta say something important.
Okay.
Listen for Allie's laugh, like, all the time. Just
Stop!
anytime you hear it, just listen.
Ready, look. It's right over her face right now.
Allie, I love that sweater. Sydney, no moving!
Sorry. Look how fun it is.
Namaste,
Oh my
babe.
god.
They're gonna comment and be like, oh my god, your friend sucks at doing hair. I will be so upset, but like, I get it, it's fine. This is my first time doing Sydney's hair, and it's like really thick and different. It's just hard. So don't judge me if it's bad.
It's coarse hair.
It's horse hair. How did you get that? No!
Oh,
What?
we gotta brush that out. Okay, right now it's like really ringlet, like Barbie doll curls. So now we're gonna touch it up so it doesn't look
We're
like
gonna
that.
make it not look like this.
More like cool. This is my worst form of torture.
Yeah, some more.
The little light waves. I'm scared. Smile.
For our priming and setting spray, we will be using Mario here.
Mario, Inside in your room.
We're gonna use Fenty.
I want Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I want Chick-fil-A.
Chris.
Cool.
Is that a weed?
So now that we have the base of her skin done, we're gonna be adding the fancy stuff. So, you know, the bronzer, the blush, the highlighter.
You gotta get down lower.
Thing is I'm too tall for this.
You're too tall for something? I get evil comments about my eyebrows every single time because I do them in the dark and I really just don't care. So Taylor's gonna make them look actually good.
This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow.
Anastasia.
Okay, I bought this little thing, I don't know, 2 years ago, and I won't let it dry out.
She won't let it dry out, guys.
Taylor, how did you learn makeup? You're really good at it.
I learned makeup by being really bad at makeup.
Everyone.
Well,
and
I didn't
then
learn makeup from being bad at makeup because I haven't learned anything.
In middle school, I wore makeup, and one time this boy asked me, "Why are you wearing makeup?" Shout out to you, Walker. I stopped doing it then because I was scarred. When
She
he
got
said,
called
"Why are you
out.
wearing
No, she
makeup?" I thought he was like, "Wow, you look ugly," and I was like, "What?"
Yeah, you do have nice eyes.
So do you,
Thanks,
Taylor.
guys. Guys, that's the first compliment I've gotten during this whole video.
Oh my god, your eyebrow looks good.
Wait, let me see.
Oh my god!
Whoever said Cindy's eyebrow looks bad.
Your mom's a
Alright, so we're going to be moving on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be putting down a concealer as a base, so that way the colors show up more pigmented than they actually are. We will be using the Naked Smoky Palette. Mine's broken, so don't judge me. And we'll also be using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar. 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
I remember the first time I had chocolate. I always hated it.
Soph's a booty guru and Taylor's a beauty guru.
What am I?
You're a booby guru.
Whoa.
We're gonna set it, and then we're gonna do lips.
Uh-uh.
These are our lipstick options.
This is
Okay.
gonna take about 12 seconds because my lips are so skinny.
Not
I like them
overlighting.
big. I like them chunky. And this is the completed look besides the outfit because I still look like trash. I've never had this much makeup on ever in my entire life ever. I'm gonna try on a bunch of outfits and see which one that I don't entirely hate because I just like sweatshirts.
Wait, they need to see me eat a Dorito.
They need to see me eat this tree.
Hi guys, welcome to our ASMR channel. So this is what Sydney usually wears, just a sweatshirt, leggings, the everyday college look, you know. But we created a bunch of outfits that are flirty, girly, and cute.
My worst nightmare.
Exactly.
For Valentine's Day.
Bust it down, Tatiana.
So for the first outfit, we have this nice leather skirt. With the leather skirt, we're gonna put this nice white little half turtlenecky thingy. And then we're gonna layer it with this nice red coat for that pop of color.
This is my belt I wear to dinner because there's holes all through it. So if I need to loosen it, it's really easy.
We have some nice sleek black booties.
Mine.
And then a purse.
Ugh, I hate purses.
Kate Spade.
Functional.
Rich.
Kate Spade. For the first outfit look,
Yeehaw. Alrighty, so here's my opinion on the first outfit. I think on a normal human it would look like a trendy city type beat or something, but because I have no torso, I feel like the mock neck, turtleneck, whatever thing makes me look like a grandma with saggy boobs. The jacket is kind of spicy, but not for me, and purses are just stupid, inferior backpacks, so 4 out of 10.
for the next outfit, we're gonna keep it basic colors because
Emo.
Sydney loves those. So we have this nice off-the-shoulder black.
We like that.
Next, we have some nice plaid shorts with some tights. We have this nice black trenchy coat.
Outfit number 2.
Ooh.
Wow. I feel like this screams sophisticated, but since it's me, it's not. Big fan of the coat and the off-the-shoulder shirt. Big hater of the tights because I don't care what you say, tights are itchy and they suck. The shorts kind of look like pantaloons, but in a good way. 7 out of 10. We had a failed outfit, it just looked bad.
We have a nice white jean skirt, pink sweater.
And to tie the outfit all together, we have this nice pink purse.
It's a lot of pink.
Yes.
Yes.
Outfit number 3.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. We're not going to talk about that. Anyways, I like to call this outfit my pink demise because, ew, I hate the color pink, and that's the basis of this whole outfit, so I kind of wanted to die. I felt like a Walmart Barbie, and I sold all of my Barbies at a garage sale for a total of 10 cents. So, 3 out of 10.
Alright, so now we have outfit number 4, which is like a comfy, casual, chic, on the street, everyday wear.
So we have some high-waisted, skinny black jeans.
Yep. And then we're gonna pair that with a red top.
And the 50 Shades belt.
And then a long sweater, so the belt goes over the sweater. And then leather shoes. Outfit number 4.
Should bed.
Maybe if it was a leather jacket.
We changed the weird itchy mom poncho thing, and then I was instantly feeling it because I got to become a little punk rocker slash greaser. Also, this outfit wasn't girly at all, so that's kind of cheating. Still gonna give it a 7 out of 10 though.
Last and final outfit. Yay. Alright, for this outfit, we're getting a little fancy. And then heels.
I already know I'm gonna like this outfit because I own this.
Outfit number 5, the last outfit. Look how pretty she is.
I bet you guys are so happy this is the last outfit, and same. Anyways, despite looking terrible in this freeze frame, I actually dig this outfit, and it's probably because the dress and heels are mine. Too bad it's freezing and I would get hypothermia if I tried to wear this on Valentine's Day. I'm gonna rate this a totally biased 8 out of 10. Haha, just when you thought the voiceovers were over, we didn't record a solid outro, so... Anyways, that's it. If you want to see which outfit I ended up selecting, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and also follow me on Twitter for no reason. Okay, great, that's all she wrote.
Bye.